Here we go again.
Belly touch.
Belly
touch.
Ooh, that was a baby! What the heck?
Templeton.
You can't see how dirty that is.
Templeton.
No.
Templeton.
You saw that, right?
Yeah.
Bro. You see that looks like an angel. Oh! Why do I every time I zoom in? See that angel right there? There's so much lightning. It's going crazy.
Oh yeah.
Stop it. See that? Wait, my hair's going up. Just kidding.
Wait.
Where was the... Oh! I caught that on camera!
Don't look at me.
I literally caught that on camera. Oh, that's a baby.
Oh, that is not baby.
What?
When you're done filming my video, I want to show you something. It's really funny.
Bro, you saw that. Oh my god! I caught that on camera.
Oh my god.
The baby, it's a doll.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Tickle.
That was a baby. I want giants like that. Oh, yeah. It's 1 minute long, probably.
Robert, look at me.
2.
Tickle. Okay, I'm almost done.
No, not even close.
Yeah.
So, enjoy.